Yo, friends. All right, so I only actually have like 50 minutes before I have another meeting. Yeah, I came back later than I said I would. Also, I'm almost out of water. Um, so, yeah, we'll just get done as much as we can before my next meeting. And that's that. We've got a chat up here, so join chat if you like. Test database, time to talk about this. So, where are we at? Yeah, read me here. Okay. We build, involve a database of some kind. If you rely on how you handle this in your testing depends largely on how you access your data. And there are so many places we could go with this. Let's see here. Good grief. Come on. There. That's annoying. Okay, fine. Sorry, I just wanted to scan the QR code so I don't get distracted by my phone for the next 40 minutes or so. Okay. Backend for your front end. Man, I don't want to get into all that. Every time I come to your stream, you look exhausted. I'm not sure what you're trying to accomplish by saying that, but it's a lot of work to do what I do. Yeah, I am tired. I work hard. I don't know. Yeah, I slept fine last night. I have 4 kids that I have to take care of. I don't know. But yeah, I'm not sure how to respond to when somebody tells me I look tired. Yeah, okay. uh, this is actually typically why I ignore chat. If you really want to chat, this is where we chat. Get a link in the description of the video. But okay. There we go. That's as much as I care to say about that. Okay. Let's see. A couple things to say about this. If we look at our diff here, whoops. Okay, let's see what else we got. By the time we're all done, we will have global setup, paths, sort of talked about that stuff. Oh yeah, we'll talk about import order. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Henri Helvetica is here. What is up, Henri? I don't know how long ago you sent that message, but good to see you, bud. Cannot wait to see you again at RemixConf. I'm wearing my RemixConf shirt from last year. Yeah. So looking forward to seeing you again. It was awesome to see you at React Miami. We didn't really get to chat very much, so hopefully we can make up for that. Okay. Okay, great. I think that's all the information they're going to need for, whoops, getting this thing set up. We're going to add no copy to these. There's no reason somebody would want to copy these. Is it without the dash, I think? Yep, there we go. Great. Okay, great. So hey, EpicWeb.dev, if you're still watching, I want to apologize. I wasn't offended by you telling me that I look tired. It's fine. It's no big deal. I hope you don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. I don't feel bad. We don't need to feel bad. Everything's fine. Okay, isolated database. Here we go for step 1. First thing we're going to do is follow the emoji. And what this does is we create a, we update the database path and database URL. Oh man, I'm over my scheduled time. Rats. All right, we're going to give myself another probably hour at least. Okay, yep, so I'll just create a new thing, do a Prisma migrate, excuse me. Okay. We've got a test in, yeah, inline file. File is app routes resources. There it is. That currently, here, let's do the elf, Kelly. Kelly says, I wrote a test. Does not work because the database is not, well, it works the first time you run it, but the second time you run it, you'll get the following error. And let's look at what that error looks like. So, oh yeah, and I just remembered I need to have instructions on each one of these, how to run the tests. I think I sort of do that, but I should probably put that in all of the exercise things. Okay, city combo box. It kind of works the first time you run it. We'll just do this. It would be cool to have an error type here. Oh well. I could do call out error. What happens when I do that? Or danger, I think is what it's supposed to be. Whoops. What happens when I do that? Well, first of all, that doesn't look too bad. Okay. And the first time, it does not work. The first time you run it, you'll get an error like this. And the second time you run it, you'll get an error like this. And, man, now I gotta, let's try this. PM run. Oh, what is the word? All right. Setup custom. I need to run this. Seed the database, Prisma seed. In exercises 05 solution. Okay, and then I gotta take a break. I'm doing an early break because this is gonna be such a short time here, so almost done. Okay, there we go. And the first error is this one. Okay. Here, manager is going to say we need to make sure our city combo box on the link to app 2 is search page never breaks. So we'd like to test it. All right, there we go. Cool. And then what happened to the TS server thing? That's annoying. Okay, I'm gonna go on a break for a second. I'll see you in a couple minutes. Okay, so, you know, I think the font size of this is bigger than this one. Pretty sure that's the case. Yeah, 1.2 rem. Pretty sure this is not 1.2 rem. Yeah, 1.1. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, that's why I'm always doing aside for that. So I'm going to fix that right now. It's a pretty quick and easy fix. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to have them all default to 1 rem, the aside, and then we've got the important. This one could probably be 1.25 rem. That's what we're going to go for. Let's just double check. Oops. Yikes. Yeah, that's way better. Feels so much better about that. Definitely will use that more. Fix font size on callouts. Okay. So next is this is because the test is not run or is running against the same database as the app, which we seeded to have a bunch of cities in it. We seeded a bunch of cities into. To make our test deterministic, we need a unique database for each test. A unique and clean database for each test. Okay. One of the first things the test does is create cities. So it in the database, so the results can be deterministic. However, to make this work, we need to do. Okay, great. So we're going to iterate to a global setup solution. To start, though, let's just get this test passing by itself. We need to make sure we set the proper environment variables before importing the database file. Here, inline file is app utils db server. Otherwise, our test will connect to the wrong database. So this will involve moving some imports from static imports at the top of the file to dynamic imports within our test. Don't worry, we'll clean this up later. Just an important thing to call out. All right. Great. Anything else they need to know before I set them off? Oh yeah. We'll also need to run migrations on the test database we set up. We'll use the execa. Thank you. To do this. Okay, how helpful is that comment for that? Yeah, there it is. We've got that. We've got emoji friends to help us, so go for it. Don't forget the script, don't forget to run the test. You can run npm run test, and it is, what's it called? City combo box. Yeah, that's interesting. I mean, it sort of worked. Yeah, okay, we'll go with that. Okay, great. So we come here. Ooh, yes. I do like this animation. Wait a second. No, that is the same. We still haven't updated. Oh, great. That explains that. Okay, fine. Okay, great. So then they do it and they feel great about it. Great job. You got that test passing. Yep. I'm the best. But it's a bit messy in that test file, and I don't like doing those dynamic imports and having to worry about import order all over the place. Additionally, it would be really annoying to have to do this for every test file. Also, if we did have two tests doing this at once, they would mess each other up because the test database file name would be, or is hard-coded. Let's deal with these issues next. Not to be a downer. There we go. See, make it more conversational, kind of interesting. fun, like the sort of message you'd read from a real coworker. Because it is kind of, it's like a story. A little bit like a story. All right, so then we get here, reuse setup. So on to the next. Oh, did I stop it? I did. I'm leaving in 4 minutes. See if we can get this done. We're not going to get it all done, but can get some of it done at least. And we still have 4 of these left. It's going to definitely take longer than 4 minutes. Okay, this is our elf. Thanks, Kelly. Maybe we should call her Ellie. Ellie the elf. Yeah, I'm going to change her back. Instead of Kelly, it's Ellie. No, but it's Kelly the coworker. No, that's why. It's got to be Kelly the coworker. It could be Ellie the elf. Okay, I'm still uncertain what I want to do with that. Anyway, for this step, let's just, for starters, let's just get things moved into our setup, file, so we don't have to do this config or this nonsense in every test file. We've already got the setup files config in our inline file. File is vtest line. Where's our vtest config? Line 14. So now we just need to move things from inline file. File is app routes, resources, combo box, into inline file. File is, where is that? Other test setup. Test setup. Is that all that we do? I think that's all that we do. We delete a bunch of things. Once we've done that, we can ditch the annoying dynamic imports in our tests. Okay, cool. Yep, that's pretty much all we're doing here. Great job. It's feeling cleaner already. Okay. Delete all data. Yeah, let's talk about that. Now that this is applied to all tests, we should probably consider more than just the cities table when doing the cleanup. Let's tackle that next. All right. Whoop, that is, yeah. Okay, so deleting data. All right. The manager doesn't care about this stuff. Okay, so I've already written a handy function for you that handles deleting all the data we need in our tests. It's delete, or what is it called? Utils, yeah. Setup test, utils. This is all, I just want to look at this. you can read through it if you like in inline file. Let's see, other utils. But it's a bit, it's unfortunately a little complicated because we can't just reset the entire database. If we did, we'd have to run migrations all over again. So instead, we query the database for all the tables and ensure we drop data in the proper order to avoid violating foreign key constraints. All you need to do is call that what's it called? Delete all data function at the right point, and you'll be set. Okay, gotta run. Thanks everybody. I'll see you after my meeting. Goodbye.